po sa video kanina, malayo pa. But we feel that you have it all. Feeling namin, nasa iyo na ang lahat. So ano pa po ba ang kulang sa Alden Richards?
Dami pa po. I mean, sa ngayon kasi syempre, I was very fortunate and blessed to have been given the opportunity to experience a lot of things. But at my age right now, syempre, sa deadline natin mga Pilipino, syempre, of course, yung settling down stage and yung paghahanap ng tamang partner. Siguro yun yung kulang, but siguro hindi ko siya tinitingnan kasi as a kakulangan po sa ito, ayun. Hindi ko po siya tinitreat as kakulangan sa pagkatao because I know and I do believe that everything comes in the right time. And sometimes kasi hindi naman siguro kaya hindi pa dumadating yung mga pangyayaring yun sa buhay mo is because you're still part of the process. And syempre, I believe in the process and I just go with it because siguro right now, baka iniisip din nung pagkakataon and of course ni Lord na when it comes to that aspect of settling down, baka it's not yet time for me. And kaya yun, kasama lagi yun sa dasal ko everyday na wherever you want to lead me or if ever I get the chance to meet someone, in God's time, siya na lang pong bahala sa akin.
God's perfect time.
Yes, Miss Tenten.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Tenten.
Thank you, Miss Tenten. Ang time mo naman po, Miss Angelica, next question. And